Okay, here we go. We can delete this. This was a previous world, but just tried to record, and turns out I was recording a system menu the entire time. So we're going to try this again. So here we go. Gotta get wood. Okay, now that we have wood. Ah, crap. Oh my god, is that a village? It's a village! Heck yeah! I'm gonna steal from these guys. Where's a place I can commit theft? Yes. Please don't notice. Ah, I love Minecraft. Oh no, leave her door! Die. we go. Finally. Yes, I just murdered an armadillo for no reason. Deal with it, guys. Just. Alright, well, I've raided this village for all it has to offer. It's a weird looking pig. So what's this? What's that, like cooked pork? Like Porky got a little too close to the stove. Alright, I gotta pause for a second here. Okay, I am back. know.
Nothing was birth, guys.
Where was that? Oh, I almost clicked the wrong button. Let me just get the heck out of here before I accidentally click the wrong button again. I would have been so dead there. I'm in a jungle. This is a lot of wood that I'm passing by. And I'm doing it just to annoy my viewers. They're gonna be like, but there's wood! Get the wood! Get the wood! Get the wood! No! And I'm gonna be like, no. I will not be doing that. Just to annoy you. I love annoying people. It's like my favorite thing to do, you know that? Ah, the beautiful sunset. And we're back into the desert. The hell was that? What is that sound? They add realistic sounds to my... Oh my god, they did. Alright, that's just too surprising. I can't. I'm just gonna set my respawn point and I'm gonna... Okay, bye.